Hello everyone, welcome back to another interesting video. Today guys, I share with you how to make plantain frittata. Yes, without further ado, let's get started. So guys, here is our plantain. We're making use of 2 medium-sized plantain, and we are using ripe plantain, as you can see. So you go ahead and peel them just like this. Alright, now go ahead and slice into desired size, okay? I advise you slice it this way, yeah. Let me especially appreciate my subscribers, yes, both newest and returning subscribers. You guys are amazing. Thank you for your massive love and support, okay? I am grateful. Ijoma is very grateful. So guys, once you're done, add some salt. If you noticed, we added some salt and then combine it. All right, moving on to the next one. In a clean pan, add in your vegetable oil. Okay, we are about to fry our plantain. Now go in with the plantains. Yes, the one you sliced. Yes, we're gonna fry it, okay? Both sides. Now flip the other side and continuously check or watch over it so it doesn't get burnt. All right, okay. Hello to you that is meeting my video for the first time. Welcome to Oma Sport. Here we'll cook, we'll bake, we'll do everything edible. Please do well to be part of the family, okay? You can only do that by subscribing. Also, turn on your notification bell to get notified each time I post new video. Alright guys, at this point our plantain is well fried, so you go ahead and scoop them off the oil. Now, moving on to the next one. In a clean pan, drizzle in amount of oil, your vegetable oil. Yes, go in with your diced onions and fry until flavorful or translucent, okay? All right, next up, introduce your tomato paste. Yes, I'm making use of well-cooked tomato. Yes, consists of tomato, red pointed peppers, ginger, garlic, onions. Yes, so once you've added that, go on and stir it, okay? All right, after frying for a minute, we are checking again. Yeah, we want to fry it a bit even though it's well cooked, okay? So now go in with some salt. If you notice, we added some salt. Stir. Introduce your protein. Yes, you can use chicken, beef, whichever protein you have. In this recipe, we are making use of gizzard. Yes. Now go in with some seasoning powder and your chili powder. Yes. If you want it more spicy, all you need to do is to increase your spice, okay? Or your peppers. All right. So guys, after another minute, we are checking. At this point, it is ready, guys. So go ahead and take it off the heat. Looking good, guys. Set it aside. So moving on to the next one. Get a clean bowl. Yes, and grab your eggs. Yes, we'll be making use of eggs in this recipe. So crack in 6 eggs. Yes, depending how you want it. I mean the size of your frittata. Yes, if you want it big, you can increase the number of your eggs. Yes, and as well the ingredients. So guys, go in with a pinch of salt. Now introduce your mixed herbs. A teaspoon of it is okay. Now whisk to combine well. If you've watched to this point, please consider subscribing. Like and share this amazing recipe to your loved ones, families, and friends, okay? Alright guys. Now introduce your fried tomato sauce into your whisked eggs, okay? Just like you're watching me do. Once you've added that, go on and whisk again to well combine, okay? Done. So guys, look at how it's looking. Moving on to the next one. In same pan, drizzle in some little amount of oil, yes, and pour in the tomato sauce eggs mixture. All right, just like so. Now place the fried plantains on them, just like you're watching me do. Immediately you've poured the mixture, go on and place those plantains right away, okay? Now get your toppings ready. Yes, we are making use of bell peppers, the red and the green, and onions. So go ahead and place them just like this. Oh my, it's looking good already, even though we are not done yet. But it is looking so good. The colors are amazing, guys. So now we are going in with our onions. Please remember to cook on low heat, okay? Amazing. Cover it, guys, and let's allow it to cook or fry for 3 to 4 minutes. Here we are checking after 2 minutes. Not yet done, guys. So at this point it is ready. You can tell the difference. Yes, it is well cooked and ready. For you to know if it is well cooked or fried, just use your knife or your fork and pierce through it. Once it comes out without slimy or any form of sliminess, know that it is ready. So at this point, guys, let's divide it. About to test, so you hang around and test with me, okay? Do not go anywhere. We are testing it together, guys. If you still haven't subscribed to my channel, please do, all right? It is totally free. No one is charging you, okay? Thank you so much. Oh my, this looks so good, guys, so good. Oh my, give this recipe a go, guys. I assure you, you will love it. Share also to your friends, loved ones, okay? For them to test this goodness. All right, this is looking so good. We are still serving, guys. I hope you all can have a taste of it, honestly. Good, lovely, so delicious. So guys, let's have a bite of it. Delicious, guys. I tell you, this is delicious. This is a recipe you will love to try just immediately. Give it a shot, okay? See ya.